this video, I'm going to show you how to participate in the community. So as you can see, we're logged in, and over here we have the menu with three categories inside: on farm, transport, and slaughter. These are the groups that we have used to categorize all the topics that we can discuss. So basically anything you have to ask or share can be done within these groups. Also, you can see news, events, and users. Sometimes news will get added, sometimes events will get added. You can also see everything, even stuff that is shared within the groups on this timeline. Right now this is empty, but it will get filled out once people start using the community. And there's also users here, so you can see everyone who is inside the community. You can even send them a message. Let's see. I can send him a message right here. You can see information about everyone who is in the community. So if we're back on the home screen, I'm going to show you how to join the conversation, how to ask something, how to share something. So let's say we made a new policy about heat stress on farm, and I would like to share that with people in the community. Or maybe I have a question about tail biting, people's experience with that. So you can just click the designated group for that right here, join a conversation. You can also click the menu or even down here at the bottom, so there's no way to miss it. You can choose whichever you would prefer. You would end up on the same page anyway. Join the conversation. Here we are. Welcome to the group about on farm. This is the place to ask questions and share experience on topics such as XYZ. You can also click this link to go to the dossiers about these topics to get all of the information about that. So anyway, you can basically share an update here. You can either ask a question or just share something. You can add a file here if you would like. Yeah, let's type something here. Click post, and people will get notified if they have their notifications set up properly. And this update will also turn up over here if you've posted it. So yeah, that's basically it.